Okay, I want to show you how to do in-text citations in MLA format. So I'm simply just going to come up and bring up a Google Doc for you. One of the things you need to understand, and I want to kind of give an example, oftentimes we will use transitional phrases like the author states, open quote, and then we'll give our, this represents, our quote, and then we'll do period, close quote. Okay. You no longer have to do that whenever you embed in-text citation. So your in-text citation is going to tell me that the sentence before your in-text citation is a quote. So you're just going to type in your quote as if it's your next sentence, okay? Your next sentence. And so I just want to show you how to put your in-text citations at the end of your quote. So if you have one author, you will put the author's last name in parentheses followed by a period. If you have two authors, you would put the first author's last name, the and sign, and then the second author's last name, close parentheses followed by a period. If you have two or more authors, you put the first author's last name that's listed, ETAL, period, close parentheses, period. Okay? This ETAI tells me that there's more than two, but you put the first author's last name that's listed for two or more. This is two authors that are listed. This is the first author that's listed. Okay? Let's add another step. Okay? If you have an article and there are no page numbers, then do not put a page number because it doesn't exist. If you have an article and there are multiple page numbers, you have a journal article that has multiple page numbers, you have page numbers, okay? After the last name, you would just put the number of the page, okay? Of where you found your quote. But if there's no page numbers, then you can't put a page number, so don't. Okay. So I hope this helps. And remember, this goes at the end of your sentence. So for example, I'm just going to do something. Okay. Now, obviously, this is not a quote. Okay, I'm just giving you text as an example. Here's what some of you do. Okay. Don't put a period at the end of it. The open parentheses, last name of the author, close parentheses, is part of the sentence. So make sure the period goes at the end. Okay. You don't have to put open quotations on it. Not needed, so don't do it. You don't need to put the author states or the author says, just let this be the next sentence. Okay, if you have any questions, swing by and let me know. Hope this helps.